How to share a QR code on LinkedIn. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. You will then be brought to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view and explore posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top and tap on the search bar. Over here, tap on the QR code icon beside the search bar. This is your LinkedIn account QR code. Tap on Share My Code below if you want to share it with others. Here, select Share with Photo. Or you can select Share Code only if you do not want to share with photo. You will then get all the sharing options available over here. From here, tap on Copy to copy the link. Or if you want to save the QR code, then tap on Save to Photos below it. Following these steps, you can easily share a QR code on LinkedIn.